You see me I say, and the dog go flow too. And me I say, wait. How man think them sound like them out of space? Let me check it out. It's a talk we have too. And me I say, see there, we have made the right way. So at the first time me I get to meet him man in person, big up every time you respect your bad, sick, super, friggin' star, massive. Anybody who don't know that brother ya is right now, no go tune in and check out Critical Music.
I say boy if he dead me make it date. No hesitate, pull up on your gate, left his skate, left his wait.
Like if I never had no friends, would I still be me or someone else?
I must say God I always feel life, you know, cause we are born prayer warrior, you see? We just want everybody who watch this believe in yourself, you see me you. I never did believe, you know, but you see with the faith of God and the faith of my mother love and my family, I believe you. No fun on have it. Well, sometimes you need somebody to carry out the message and I carry it out. That believe, you hear that? God and time, bro.
God and time, respect and manners. No joke. Come true now, my friend. Listen, beautiful ladies not shy,
Yeah, man. Come here, give us
beautiful ladies not shy, man.
Give us something.
Whoa. We are around. Go come and give you a shout out on Instagram there. What's a TikTok? Come in and talk to me, man. You know them all kill me if we not talk to you. What's a TikTok? Let me give a TikTok a shout out.
I'm afraid of camera.
Afraid of camera, beautiful lady? Yeah, Jamaica walk by. What's a TikTok? Me I beg you one more piece before we move off, you know. See how the first one you give me a while ago?
Stop the capping, you know I got the lock pin. 425, yo, we like that to chopping. What we locking, them want for super strappings. Something them I try for find out, forget the cops in. Them feel lapsing, but we smart on the acting. When them check the time, I 425 tapping. Just sit back and watch my wings, them flapping. When them they a bed, where they a road, I do the knockings. Pull up on the block, nobody feel all black, I strictly top all pan or whatnot. Y'all want a back shot. Then me go sub up and take a look over the top, a couple zeros pan a laptop. Chop it down like that. Here we got locks and up a black mark. Them shoulda know 425, not do the chat. You can't know what it, my book and my got cash. I for we stylist, run the street hot. Calm down the verse, make them no work, not work. Bang bang the line, some boy a slurp, watch a bird. We used to me, I will side move to the curve. When you see me, my team must be best, I full turk. Just try know you will get hurt. I sympathy for let your head in the earth.
True now, one way go viral, you see it?
Yeah. See it.
Where them not to know who sing it, so I give them that one, you see it? Watch out. Right now I'm there in my mood, yeah. White is a rock good Gucci. I have a couple girls who are groupie. Say them want to get junks to the juice there. Them a pop pills up in Doocy. Every girl who I love wants.
Hold on there, man. Easy style. Melody and flow. Watch how the man traffic cannon. What that? You mean? You mean? Shit.
Joe.
Come on, big up yourself. Take it easy, have a blessed day, yeah? Jamaica walk by. Yeah, me teach a manners and respect. Straight hustling.
I can train with the different. You detail clean, so if you have a seat, don't tear a roof.
Oh, you do detailing like it?
Yeah.
Not just vehicle though?
Not the vehicle, all things.
Even
sofa, car,
okay.
mattress, chaser.
They said this is the black. Clothes and skirt. Clean. Smell sweet. Mad. One white night. Yeah, how easy. Big up and respect. You don't know I'm a Jamaica walk by massive. One love now, man. Look good now, man. Jamaica we there now, man. Look good. So hear me now, man. So massive right about now. You don't know. You see a few look at the things that go on in the video. I tell you say that go great. So listen. Right now we're in Allman Town. So all of me Allman Town massive them wanna start line up now. Wanna start get ready for watching video cause we're gonna walk through Allman Town. We're gonna show you the real vibe, the real energy. We're gonna show you Allman Town set up in our time. You understand? Because guess what? We are walking to our general them say you know say the thing exclusive. The thing not normal. So right about now you don't know we have a general right so we are talking about streets of Kingston.
You don't know, one chaparas, streets of Kingston, boss. Hear that? Yeah man, the new line, clothing line will come take over the ground right now, streets of Kingston. You hear that?
Look on the chest.
See it there?
That is it, streets of Kingston.
That is it, man.
No joke. And look how me there with now. Me general, my hustler bridging. One white night.
Hunt and gather, you see it? That is it, one go.
White Knight, massive, look at a real hustler. Them man a change like the weather. Look how him deal with it. So you see when at Christmas time, you know say you change them. Yo, me a talk about the bracelet, the ears ring, a bunch of things. Right now, man, look, we stack up back. Come here, matter. Oh, look around us. So. Yo, a one hustler and a one White Knight, no joke. Look up on the chain them. Them man a hustle everything like the weather. Says when I give them time, I'll give them man a hustle. But sometimes you see bro on the circle and deal with some food, soup, everything real hustle. So see how many of this, I know how I clean, look at Jamaica, say, look for the man. Yeah. White Knight say, by next year, if you see him, I'm foreign him for there, so one of them white here, I'll link him, one of them when they're foreign, you know what, a good man. See a good hustler, man, you know. White Knight, how you think that go?
Don't know, one White Knight.
Don't know, one White Knight, doesn't me?
Yeah. On TikTok, that
is it.
Oh, one White Knight.
Yeah.
That is it. So you can follow him on TikTok. Streets of Kingston. How your thing go again?
You don't know the thing, you know. Streets of Kingston. Don't know Choppers. Anyone you type in, it lead you to the TikTok page. Not Instagram. Them at my page, so here we go on. I don't know the Instagram thing. I just TikTok where I work with, you know. Boom.
Madam Bad, so massive in the member, see close down and see man all endorse it to Streets of Kingston. Yo, I'll get my shirt, you know.
Yeah, man.
You better know that.
Because we have a tight suit, you know. We have a tight suit that come out. We have cap, the whole of them look at things, the variety of whole heap of things. You know the thing cropped up.
Bad.
You don't know the tight suit for the girl, we can show them fat clump and them thing there.
Easy.
And that is, yeah, man. That
easy.
Is it, man. Yeah,
so
man.
massive, we're going to walk through with White Knight and Streets of Kingston for showing the ends them. We're going to see how Allman Town are going right about now. What the corner road there again?
Colin Avenue.
Okay.
Right at Colin Avenue. Avenue.
That is it. So we are starting from there, so, and we're going to walk through and we'll have a sweet little energy, a nice little vibe and things. So stay tuned. Let's do this. So massive, this is Allman Town. See me? Right over there, so now you have Dems Road or Dams Road. You see me? Yeah. No joke, no doubt. I general this. Yeah, and then man I did the whole like soup on the corner. Man. Big up and respect now, man. One love now, man. What the man name?
Real life.
Real life?
Real life.
Real life.
Oh, real life?
Yeah.
Oh, see them man just like what go on, right? Are you juggle them thing over here, too? Oh, doubt. So right now, let me give them the advertisement now. Look good now, man. So right by the corner, it's like a open hardware. It's like a streets hardware. And everything when they need hardware. I'm going to think me not see a lumber. But guess what me I say? Yo, you see it there? Look good. Me I see for a screwdriver. Me I see all what is again. See it there? Wait. Everything in my van, shower, everything, solder iron, solder gun. Yo, no joke, no doubt. Yo, our bathroom fixtures look good, no joke, no doubt. Figure that. So, you're there, sir? So, Dams Road, they call road over there, sir? Dames Road. So, if you know each other with there, now, right in the Allman Town, right across from Dames Road, you can find me general with the open hardware. And if you want bossy gas, in the morning, alright, so you don't know right, so I have the soup. Look how the place clean and thing. You think a dibby thing look good now, man. Everything. Also, what kind of soup you have in there?
Cow foot, cow skin, red peas.
Loads and
in a real life.
Look at it, man. What's the quality now, man?
Well, man.
Jaja no.
Rastafari, no.
Cheese and peas.
My God.
Oh, easy. That is it. But clean. You understand? I don't know. Whoa.
Jaja.
They'll tie them pattern when you just rub it round with the fab and then you put it on the surface. You know, so when it's time for wash, it's easy to wash. Figure that. Oh my word. Soup for everybody. Right on the corner. See how the big woman that comes sit down in our red. Are you one?
Yeah.
That big woman?
Yeah, one of my family.
One of your family?
Yeah.
Figure that. You come out. My friend, you support your hardware. You support your hardware. Ball out already. Alright, that's your word. But yeah, but outside we are going to fire.
Yeah.
I big up and love and respect you, man. You have to big up somebody over there, you know.
I appreciate it.
Why you big up to your friend them and your colleagues them from long time?
I big up Condad and Jacko, you know.
Yeah.
My colleagues them there, yeah. I'm big up my boy, you know.
Yeah, I must send the walk up on the camera. But big him up, see you.
Yeah.
Where you go?
I'm big up my princess, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Whoa, you come out though. How are you inspired today? Jaja, no. Give the TikTok now, your Instagram or your TikTok go.
I'm not on phone, so I'm not on TikTok, I'm not on Instagram.
So look at us, man, I go reach you now. We not look at short, so we go look for you. Make your 360, man. Look good, look there. Look how we Jamaican, oh my word. Heavy. Oh, you mean heavy. White night, what you say? Heavy. And that is it. Fire, big up every time again, see? No joke, no doubt. Big up yourself. Take it easy, my friend. Big up your damn self. I like your vibe, hear that?
Yeah, man.
Outside. Ah. We are go through massive, no joke. So you don't know Dames Road?
Yeah. We're up on Arnold Road now.
So we're down on Arnold Road and we are go through. So massive, you know we do it, we take time do it slowly, calm and things so you can get to see the place. Who never see it for a long time can get to see what it look like in a them time. You see me? No joke, no doubt. What you mean? Streets of Kingston. You understand?
Yeah.
Blessed respect. White Knight. Yo, I am alone of the name there. White Knight.
You want his name, you know?
What you mean, man? Big up to all of my hustler them in the whole world, you know what I mean? Outside them and they hustle right through. You see me, I say no joke, no doubt. Yeah. Don't know me, I go say, yo, Jack, protect your man steps them, you know. You see me, I say, as the man walk his ground to, you know, protect your whole of his steps, you see it? And we just go through. What you mean? Say that again?
Right now, it's Prince of Wales Street, which is Allman Town Primary.
Oh, Allman Town Primary, the down the lane.
Yeah, down there, so Prince of Wales Street.
That is it.
Yeah.
And them a place and now look at the Lock Caribbean Villa.
Yeah, but it's still operating.
Oh, them up on Saturday?
Yeah.
Ah. Got you. Give them a shout out, see we big up on yourself, you see me?
Back in the day, you used to watch Lime Trillion.
Yeah, me used to watch Lime Trillion. Oh, why you say them used to do that?
Original Lime.
Oh, what you say? This is historical. We say Lime Tree Lane or over here so they normally do it.
Yeah, but Lime Trillion is on TV, John.
Massive, that is a classic show in Lime Tree Lane, you know. Who remember Lime Tree Lane?
Johnny Knight.
With Johnny Daly.
Yeah.
That is it. Nice to go vibe. More than bad. That is nice, man. Yo, White Knight, that, I'm glad they said that to you, know. Because our historical places, then, you know, man.
Lion Trillion is from back in the days.
From back in the days.
Alright. TV,
JBC.
Jaja, no. Which lane that over there, say, you know?
That's how me live. One Arnold Avenue.
Oh, 1 Arnold Avenue.
Yeah, if I want to come give me out the street in the yard, no problem. Fine, we live in the yard, the whole big enough. The biggest yard is in Allman.
We say we are walk through. That is it. So we just walk through. So massive, if you don't know which are, we are talking about real inner city with the right now. Real inner city community. Kingston. You understand? This is like the real life Jamaica. We're not talking about the uptown. You understand? With the downtown. Real inner city. If you make a carrier pass, come through. Oh, right, let's see my God. Yeah. So I don't know, we are trying to do some videos like this where we can walk through community and just show the real vibe, the real energy, you see me? All this mango tree I know it's a crazy readings, you know. Yeah. Up on them artwork, yeah.
The youth of the artwork can drop out over there still.
Oh, the youth do this drop out?
Yeah.
John no star.
Yeah, man,
R.I.P. bro. Him not put him name on it. Chad. Him not put him name on it. Big up Chad. You know what I mean? Condolences to the whole family, you see me? No joke, no down.
All what him one?
Look good. Real inner Kingston.
Him one.
Great White Knight.
Side out.
You mean?
Yes, my darling.
White Knight, I hear and sister here just roll through and go on easy.
I never live, man. I never live.
She nice, eh? Beautiful lady. Big up yourself, a Jamaica walk by, you see me? There you pass, you come out of son and make it son bunny. Look like one real businessman, you know. Oh, you mean? We outside, man, we are walk through, we just do some Jamaica walk by, show some love in our streets and our community and all them little things there, you know? Okay. Walk through white night and thing. You can't, you know, big up somebody, but you big up somebody. Big up somebody.
We can't go on somebody.
You're all natural and nice, man, you don't know where you go.
Yeah, natural beauty.
Yeah, me, what's your name?
Kimon.
Yeah, man, big up yourself. I like K name, them always nice now. Always lovely people. No joke, no doubt.
No joke.
Kimon, big up yourself. Take it easy, have a blessed day, yeah? Jamaica walk by. Yeah, me teach manners and respect. See, come here one night, we touch out, but then go on easy, you don't know what you think go. Yeah, man. Real streets of Kingston, downtown. Yeah, man. Real inner city. Mr. White Night, I just grow up.
Yeah, man.
And you days.
When I come from 7 years, I originally come from about 10.
Oh.
And I found it was most of my life.
If I reach as a boy and I run 10, I just alone, you know. Yeah, you know, I got remember back, so you glimpse of memory.
Yeah, man, I remember still back when you know, I used to grow smart and everything, brother, so.
Yeah.
I'm doing an L already for sure, yeah.
Jaja know.
Change my lifestyle.
You get 2 youth.
Yeah, man. I'm good at this from morning.
Straight hustling.
I can train me to different. Do detail clean, so if I had a seat that there roof.
Oh, you do detailing like if you,
yeah.
Not just vehicle though.
Not the vehicle, the whole thing.
Even
sofa, car,
okay.
mattress, chasing.
Yo, you have to go, listen, you have to go give out a number in a white night, because people have to go give you a show.
Even the carpet, you know, yeah, I'm going to flip from first, I'm drop it off it one.
I wanna
clean it. So that's why I say it is black. So I'll later know the person comes in the evening, so I'm going to have to clean it well.
They said this is the black. Blouse and skirt, clean. Smell sweet. Mad. One white night. That is it. Real hustler. Yeah, I know, so I rate that boy you do. Because from a meet you know. I meet you around a hero circle, I meet you that time.
You know, nobody in the cribs and corner. I can walk and sell. You never hear nobody in the mix up. You know, keep company one just chop her yesterday.
Yeah.
I even can't tell you, even him have my friend come look. Friendship for me and I say, yo, to me say, I say that you to move one away and just if I look on the own thing. I saw the dog to find my dog say, yo, man. So things I find that thing tell you about 5 years now, we're friends now. So we never meet you yet.
No need
just
to.
know him. If you know him and the only person know why he vex him and you I'll run some rotted joke. We're not itch. Run joke, any joke.
Yeah. So live. And also me live with my general them too, you know.
Yeah. I'm ready to just leave her up on my shoulder and run the guy there. Anyway,
but you come out. First time I meet her up at River and I tell her say, you have a look of vibes and make sure I tell her say, yo, where she there too, you know. Because from them mention the name I say, on the link car no man. Nice little G. I say go beard. Yo, white guy, you know say you have a number can give out to. Give out one number cause I know say enough G when know you all from a long time. When they want to reach you to. Yeah man, give a number man so people will all in a area to want to get them couch and them thing they are clean.
Yeah.
You know say you can detail it the right way.
Yeah, them thing I do on carpet, sofa, baby car seat. Your name wall settings, my do brother.
Clean and pretty.
I went guinea pig and season, so I juggle guinea pig and I itch. I sell off some East Indian, the first time I meet me, I sell some East Indian mango.
Yeah.
I understand, I just help the lady sell the soup to follow them. So this is the calling them when you say if you want to call me.
So if you want, if you want to give white night a call, you don't know I 16. Start at 16, right?
Yeah.
Yo, 165 2081836. Just give white night a link, you see me?
WhatsApp number 218.
You tell me WhatsApp.
WhatsApp number 218 0814. WhatsApp that you can get me on Whatsap.
That
so
is
straight
it.
Calling.
So the straight caller 1658, you don't know, 2081836. I have a WhatsApp number too. Yeah. More than bad, me G. I mean, I walk out a whole lot down here and go and hold the energy. You don't know. It's straight. Big up me general, respect. As some soldier you have blouse and skirt. Watch man them a patrol man. Jaja know. Them a patrol though. So what they look? Big up on yourself, you see it? Yeah. That is it. Watch your dolly friend. Watch dolly out. Blow how she go clean up. Look good now, man. Lord. Watch you walk, watch you walk, watch you walk. Watch you walk, watch you walk, watch you walk. Big up yourself, man. Yeah. I go down the road. Yeah, we're back for Arnold Road.
It's not a normal road.
Cheese and peace. Real in a city. Yo, enough people really hear about them bros and them places, but they not walk it, you know. So enough people, if you're not forward from here some more time, you're not gonna know. So if me, a man like me, you know, show you them places, look at them things, you're not gonna see it. You see me? That is it. Yeah, man, Stephen, remember the brand to, you know, streets of Kingston.
That is
you
it.
Understand?
One
brand,
Chaparas.
Chaparas. Man.
You're too wicked, you don't see what's up. Like say,
Church, We street this now? Prince Albert. Yeah. Alright, so we're on Prince Albert. Now we have go through. Well, look, I can have a boxing club and then I play football.
It's a combination. Boxing, you see me look up friend, you know what him name? White Line. Him name White Line, a White Line is the man that ever done on the White Line.
White Line.
Yeah, man.
Big up yourself, soldier, see? White Line. You say ever in that street?
Ever on the street, man.
Yeah, no. Machine. Water Street.
Yeah. You want to see no water?
Yeah, man, I saw Jamaica, so we name full road them, man. Man. See all the carpentry shop. How you like the carpentry shop, though? Chopper. How do you the carpentry shop?
Virgin, man.
I could give him a shout out, you know, man.
Jamaica walk by bar, I'll give him a shout out.
Yeah, man, we could give him a shout out, man.
Yeah, man.
No, me can't pass them something, man. The man, we are doing the great work. Bless up my teacher. I hear one this. Jesus and peace. I'm dealing with it. And this looks like a studio. I put it in the living room right with a big 65, 85-inch TV on it. Cheese and peace. This nice, see, man. And guess what I know? You see black? My color that in almost everything in my spot. A black, you know. I'm dealing with this. Are you doing this?
Yes, man.
Built from scratch.
Oh, a skirt. Watch your work now, man. Yeah. So this is, yo, well, you please. You're supposed to please, and the sister, we have to put them gas in and the middle there, so too. Oh, Zin. Man. John thing. That is it. Look like him just find the design and say, some want it. You understand? When say you did it.
Yes, man.
Manners and love and respect, man. Go and do the trade because we now have a young youth, them do it again, you know.
No, so them not do it again.
I mean, I whisper it. If furniture, when they sell nice store, they no good.
No, man.
They don't go last 3 months.
Yeah.
And I eat that.
And when we make them one all
no, we grandpicnic can get them. And war over them.
well, we grandchildren summer festival where our furniture used to look like.
Yes. And I joke it.
I mean, always have to have them for sure.
They want them now, you buy in a certain store,
yeah,
breeze blow through window and mash them up. Look at them here over here, so go on. You don't know, say a carve out. You understand? You don't know Jamaica walk by do it, you know. See it there? Some of them look like say y'all bring them back.
Yeah, that one bring back that one there.
That one look like say y'all bring it back.
Yeah, man, bring back another one there.
And that one too. Jaja no. Come on. Start do some rubbing work on them already. Straighten up the board them and thing. Oh, you mean? What kind of wood them here? Them here? Danzo. Yeah, bitter wood. You're not gonna get them here with the furniture them in our store. You know, you get baggers.
Baggers. You know, baggers.
Yeah. I'm gonna take a look at that shop there. You don't know. See you chat all of the work go down here. You understand?
That is a kitchen over there.
Oh yeah, kitchen set. Like for the top.
Yeah, this is the top.
Nice. Madam bad. This soon done, man.
Yeah, man, this is the second.
Yeah. Are you alone work?
Yes, man.
Jaja, no second. So you're not going to overload with work, man. Yeah, see that? Few little thing left. And you're gone through. So all like persons them when don't know say you're the day so you know. Yeah. And think you have a number where people can call you and find out an inquiry and place an order or something.
Yes, man.
You must tell me it.
886.
Yeah.
0075.
So 886-0075. And tell them a name again.
Yes. Baller, them call me Baller, the furniture man.
Baller, the furniture man. You the baller back in the days.
Yeah,
I look like I still play ball.
Yeah, man. No, I not play ball still, but you know.
A baller, your name.
Yeah.
Figure that.
But no, I'll come to you as Baller.
Yeah.
They just call me Baller, you know. Not the place.
Much respect, man. They don't know a Jamaica walk by my name, take it easy. But you know, so before I go, you have to go big up somebody. Give a shout out. Big up somebody, a family, a friend.
Big up shouter.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. And big up Piggy.
You married yet?
No.
You're not married yet?
No, but
right.
can big up Johnny's, you know.
That is it.
Okay, yes, man.
No joke.
Shanique.
Shanique, see how be a name I call it now?
Twilight.
Yeah, bad.
Yes, man.
I big up the whole Allman Town massive.
Allman Town crew, you know.
See, they know, man.
Yeah,
Big
man.
up every time. But the world furniture, you see me?
Alright.
Baller. So if you're in a place and don't want the furniture and you never know say baller there, so make sure you check him out. See?
Right.
Look good. The man work and talk for himself. Figure that?
Alright, sir. Yeah,
That is it. We're back at it again. Streets of Kingston and White Night with there. Mama just come in and give me that pretty smile. Give me again. Give me it again. Yeah. See it then, man. How you mean? Big up yourself here. One love always. I'll go through. Game fall. Game fall. Man. But they are actual Allman Town massive. Yeah. Real inner city with that.
No, you have to get a big ass man. I'll just do it.
What is?
No, come like a limestone, brother.
That stone that look like a space he drop from.
You ever watch
Crystal.
Superman?
Yeah.
He's a soul like this and stop the man.
What if it is really expensive? I don't know.
That's the one we can use, brother.
Yeah, man. Madam bad. Yeah. Big artist.
Yeah.
You understand? You don't know. G down in the place. Madam bad, my teacher. So massive from where forward in the place, you don't know we have to find two of the bad artists them in the place, you know what I mean? And luckily we're in a G-Dan area. You understand? See all the big beats, you look good now, man. So we are going to drop to you and don't know one G-Dan bless the place. A mad up thing. But before you start, all the massive them were just a know about you. Tell them which of them can find you before we even start.
Man, them can find me everywhere, man, on the social, man. You see me? On the IG, you know, G-Dan _YB, you see it? On the TikTok, same thing to everywhere.
That is it. How long now you do music?
Can I say 3 years now, 3 to 4 years now, you see it?
Yeah.
From them time, you see me?
That
to
is
start
it.
Take it up in the 23rd, 2023, the real way.
The real way.
You see it and say, yo, a time now, you see it?
Figure that.
Put in the work, man, and see them now, I don't know, you hear that?
So massive, you don't know, we are going to get an exclusive from G-Dan, same speed. Yo, my teacher, man, has some respect, you know, you don't know a thing going on. Oh, you mean? Yeah. We hail him again, because you don't know, the regular hail was a while ago for regular, you don't know, so you get the status now, you know, so it's a different hail. Yeah, bro, no joke. So, you're a producer, tell them the name, man, how them can find it too.
Yeah, man, G1 Records, man, all platforms, you know, YouTube, Instagram, everything.
Man, G1?
Yeah, man,
G1 Records. Yeah. Respect my bro, no joke. You understand?
No joke.
Figure that, kick off your ball, because you connect?
Yeah.
So massive, you don't know where they are on the corner. Put him, the box plug in over here, so. Oh, Zine. Massive, you know, say it's all about show time. You don't know, we are get a little vibe right now with G Dan, no joke, right in a Allman Town where they are going easy. Inner city, real inner city style. See there?
No joke.
And a kite, that brother, that look like a spaceship. We are talking about kite, that's so big.
Yeah.
I wish kite's so big.
Bigger than
Yeah. Oh, you mean? Big up teacher, respect and manners, see? Outside. That is it, man. Boy, work, you look like you work a beat here, you know. That is it, my boss. Same speed. Yeah, man. Yo, you know, long me not see a tambourine tree. Look good now, man. Original tambourine tree. Tambourine tree and can mix with a guinea tree. And that me I say.
The merge. Alright.
Turn it away, yeah. Turn the box away. 3 years now we start professional. That not sound like 3 years, bro.
So more than 3
Yeah, that sound like a 10 years you do music straight like that, bro. What you mean?
It's a long time I do music still, you know, bro.
It's a long time you do, but I really 3 years you take it up professional. Why you do that? We just look into it now and just say, but you know, I'm tough in the dark. Why am I not boss and big?
So you see, because I was producing, I did not take up still, you know. And so him can write song too, bro. Why am I not just sing and produce on my own self?
Gee, done.
So we just take it up. Because my dog them sing around me too, you know. So them too. You see it?
No joke.
Yeah, bro. So that's how you just deal with it and just done. You see me?
So which way you grew up really?
Around the man, Allman Town.
Straight Allman Town, Kingston youth.
Kingston youth, man, Town youth. You hear that?
Cause they always say sometimes most of you also got church and them thing there.
You used to go to church, man.
Yeah, cause when you know some more time you hear most talented artists you can say, yo, your background always because you learn music and keys and how to play instrument and them thing there. That's all. Same thing with me too.
Same way too, you see it?
And school. That is it, man. Because I can feel the spirit in them vocals, you know. You can see, all them know them. And the dogs gone up on them. Yeah.
You feel it, man.
Figure that. Yeah, you give me a sound like that too. Yeah. See? See there? I say a 3 years now since I do music, eh?
But the first time I hear a song for the dog, you know. Never, like when I Gaga do that song there, and then I say, no, G-Dan, because you know, so from Gaga to G-Dan. You understand me? I say, dog, the man, the thing sound good for some man. You see, a man is just our music. He sound better than someone who do music a long time.
I mean, I gotta agree with you.
Yeah, I really agree.
And you know what cause that? You know what cause that? You have a thing named quality control.
Yeah, man.
And you sound like you know quality control. Yeah, everything that sounds soothing to feel. Figure that. You hear what I said earlier? You're going to producing, that means you don't have the ears feet already. You see me, I say, forward to the producer, man, I know you see out I shall come in, yo, see it then, man. Oh, you mean, man, believe, no, man, we have to make sure say night. And I say, yo, see when man all drink boom, if you go sponsor, I think them, you know, see there? A boom, you know. Yeah, me, you know, if you sponsor, I think them, want, you know, in a city garrison youths, them want some of them big endorsement too, you know. You mean. So you don't know one more time, G Dan. What hear me I say, more you left a look. One piece a cappella. Something for the people them will say, you more hear him. Natural.
I one way go viral, you see it?
Yeah. See it.
Where them not to know who sing it, so I give them the one, you see it? Watch out. Right now I'm there in my mood, yeah. White is a rock good Gucci. I have a couple girls who are groupie. Say them want to get junks at the juice. Them a pop pills sipping juicy. Every girl who I love wants.
Hold on, man. Easy style. Easy style. Melody and flow. Watch how the man drop it cannon. What that? You know what I mean? Whole like sky tear down. Yo, hold on, man. Give back that eat. Yeah, but we don't can drop down 1-2 beat on the blouse and skirt, man. Listen, drop it again, bro.
Right now I'm there in my mood, yeah. White is rock with Gucci. I have a couple girls who are groupie. So them want to get junks to the juice. My pop pills up in goosey. Every girl who I love want to sue me. Girl, but I'm bougie. Shake up your body for the crew, yeah. For the crew, yeah. What we are do? I drink till we sick. Drink till we hit top, live for watch mama pop with me. She not stop breast for me. Where she go see the crumb things, so she safe with me. I drink till we sick. Drink till we hit top, live for watch mama pop. I just going right now.
Yeah.
Where she goes to the chrome things, so she safe with me. Watch out, chippy. The beat have me a smooth with it, and a jiff with it. Bigs rock with it, lean back with it. If a boy ever get the party, it buck the party, it bust the place, and she a cook the vibes it up. Not done the white, a man in the company villa, we a pool party in the sun. The sun hot, man, believe it, hear that?
Yo, they're sick. Yo, me I see that future. Remember me, you see it. Remember say walk by. Yo, it starts sick. It's a this.
I'm a drip with the drip, bigs rough with it, lean back with it. If a pussy ever done get shot in the party, bust the plate, the shape, vibes it up. Don't do white, my man in the company below you. Pool party in the sun. I drink till we sick. Till we hit up in the fort. She not stop risk. She can see the crumb things, she see everything.
How we did sing it, man, I hear that.
Chippy, the beat have me a smooth with it. And I drip with the drip, bigs rock with it. In the sun. I drink
G done.
till we hit up in the fort. She not stop risk.
G done.
She can see the crumb things, she see everything.
Producer. G done. My bad. Yeah. Mama, we say G done. What G done? Outside.
Wrong with it, hear that?
Allman Town. Streets of Kingston.
Good clip.
Easy.
I drink till we hit top live for mama pop. She not stop breast on me. She can see the crumb things that she see with me. I drink till we sick. Drink till we hit top live for mama pop. She not stop breast on me. She can see the crumb things that she see with me. Ski, get the cups up. You know see us somewhere on the beach we a go. Tell every bad girl if you line. Come in a 2-piece in a body ride. Chop up the China. Half copy girl they are from China. Say them a wine up the waistline. Ski, you fuck my mind. I drink the whiskey.
G Dan, you don't know. Big up every time again, my artist. One more time, which part them can find it on all social media?
Yeah man, GDan_YB, GDON_YB on every platform, you see me? Every social.
That is it. Oh yes, which artist see yourself next 10 years? Tell me that.
Far man in the industry man, believe international level over them man. Next 10 years man, you hear that dream.
I believe in
want
it.
to know, look out man, you see me? Cause full of style man, I never see it man.
Jeez, Dan.
Crazy.
Ready for the world.
That is it. Big up every time again, my bro. Respect for taking time out and get a feature upon Jamaica Walk by Zane. Allman Town. Oh yeah, get a big up before we cut out.
But you know more big up upcoming artists them like myself, you see man, like Triple T, you know my producer, G1 Records, you hear that? Teddy Bad.
Yeah.
Look out for them you see me? Believe that them man will come take over man.
That is it.
Believe man.
Remember say none of the artists them will see out there right now, they never born boss, yeah?
Believe.
Yeah, them start. You see me?
To something man, and a long time we are doing it so. Time now, you hear that?
Man.
Believe.
Outside. Yo, my teacher, big up and respect every time. See it? Figure that. Jamaica Walk by. G Dan. Yeah. Moment. Don't know, so I have to give you a different kind of yell. Big up yourself, same speed. Hear that? Yeah, man. Big up every time, see? Respect. Jamaica Walk by, hear me teacher. Madam man.
Never pick up the face.
Yeah, man, I make you one, man. You know, say, respect a man and say that. You hear that?
Yeah, man, I never say you now.
Blessings, man. We outside. And give me a big piece. I'm sure Tim can pay him for the bike ride through a while ago. Yeah, man. Madam Bad, see? Big up every time. I respect it. Yeah, man. You know, so we have to find him, man. Yeah, man. That is it. G that. Respect no. we are doing an Allman Town walkthrough. Yeah. So you see it, see? Respect. Bless up my teacher. Outside. Yeah, man, big up to all of my general them with support Jamaica walk by night street. You see me? You know, so I see when I walk Riverton what they when I tap in a youth, I say, Jamaica walk by. Yo, you can walk through. You don't know me feel good when him say so, bro. Because enough people say you can't go Riverton you. And I say, I go, you know. Because people them want to see it. And enough people down there want to help side way, don't it? Down them go. Oh, you mean? Yeah. So massive make sure you check out G Dan. You understand? The artist, tough, flow, melody, clarity, tough.
Ready for the
G Dan, ready. So all of my producers, them we are watch, make sure you reach out to him, drop a one song, same speed, and that is it. I could do it that way, yeah. You see me? No joke. I wish ends this with the pan. Which lane this we turn off, pan? Robert Street. Madam Bad. We there. No joke, no doubt.
Pretty.
Blouse and skirt. A rich vibes today. Blouse and skirt. Madam Bad, my teacher. Jamaica walk by, you see it? Yeah. But wait, we can't pay right now for the thing that international to blouse and skirt.
Have I really got chosen? Whoa, am I really that potent?
Yo, it's not normal for just walk up and buck up in a reticle, so. Oh my word. One more year. Cheese and peace. Yo, alright, I'm going to tell them a little secret you know. I'm not even notice, so I tell them as an artist. Yo, you see when I go to boom bang and say, I go back in the music, and I go start do back music the right way. Yo, the man drop, I video first, we see him before I know him, you know. The video, you know, with the dog now on a shirt and say so, and I go and bunk. So I say, which artist is this? So we in a studio, you just play some video, but you not use the sound.
Yeah.
You see me, I say, who that? I say, I go and pause the music and put on the volume on it. I'm here, King in a War. I say, wait. Oh, him. You understand? And then guess what, me know? You don't know, so most of the time now when I go write a tune, I start listen to him. Yeah. Because me get the right energy there, so come here, I say, I want to put back music in a song with melody and lyrics. Yeah. You see me, I say, and the dog go flow too. And me, I say, wait, how man think them sound like them out of space? Let me check it out, it's a talk with him up too. And me, I say, see there, we are made the right way. So, at the first time I get to meet him man in person, big up every time you respect your bad, sick, super, friggin' star, massive. Anybody who don't know that brother here is right now, no go tune in and check out Ritical Music. You understand? But me not gonna lie, in person I look young, no blouse and skirt, dog. Jeez, happy. No man, I mean like schoolboy settings, dog. Yeah. Like seeing up on TV now, you just look like one normal youth and young normal youth, but now you look like a school youth. Normal Ritical. You see me? Maestro Dan, look who this maestro. Right pan Ritical and somebody kill me down the maestro Dan. Me reach a Ritical before you, you know. You understand? We never plan for it, but at the energy. So Maestro, I'm a general man. You don't know, say I'm an artist virgin for a long time. All with their cash flow from all them time there from. Yeah. You see me? Yeah, man. Our G cash flow, you know, DJ Neil and all them thing there. All our way, brother. You see me? So, I draw you out straight from this. You know. We have a program every Saturday called One Mic, where DJ Neil at the host it and the show up on Jamaica walk by. I'm turn YouTuber now, you know. You understand me? I aim for 1 million subscribers, you know. See? So what we do now, we have One Mic where we bring in a big artist like yourself and we feature a new artist too as well. DJ Cashflow Neil at the host. See? So, I'm going to ask you right so Street of Kingston. Yeah, they as my witness, you know. I'm going to try to get a connect for himself if we can get a one mic from him. On YouTube, we have thousands of people watch your live a week time. You see me I say? And I really love to get a Ritical Panda One mic there. You see me I say? No joke. So what people them in the world are gonna say, yo, if I have my one piece, no, me can't pay for it right now still, you know. But I beg it right now, you know. One out of vocals them Ritty. Please. Have a sweet little princess this
check
pretty
it on
girl.
one mic, man, isn't me?
That is it.
I'm gonna see it, man. So make them know heads up for that one, I want it forward.
Yeah, me smarter than them. You know what I go do? You say, as me pull up, I go just take down to one video if I'm 5 seconds and just drop it in. I must find a live performance for you and flick it in. Watch and see if I joke me I make. A one critical massive. You don't know, no joke. Superstar. I mean an artist, just an artist rising in Jamaica. We are talking about superstar, big international artist. You're not easily just running at this brother. Yeah. You understand? Them man your lyrics, the outer space. You understand? I want the cleanest lyricist this for a long time Jamaica has ever produced. Me can ask him. I lie me I tell?
No, sir.
Oh. Ritical. So find search him for all social media platform. Ritical music. You know what I mean? A Ritty, you know enough people call him Ritty. Remember with the Y. See me I say? No joke, no doubt. See there? Anything you want to me teacher like new music, anything where you want to tell the world right now because people them are glad to see you know.
Yeah man, we have everything on forward man, believe. This year right?
It that year. This year it.
We have sitting on forward next week.
That's what, we have a new thing I drop next week.
Yeah.
That is it. No joke, no doubt. Ritical. So remember you know, me straight I get a connect film and we just did it away them man. Yeah, straight. So Ritical. Big up again. See you last time. Big up yourself, my friend. Bless up yourself outside with them. Man. Streets of Kingston.
Yeah man, that is it.
I see you look that you know. Running a superstar like that. Easy, you know what I mean? Blessings man.
Oh, yes sir?
Yeah, my teacher. That is it. We're outside, man. No joke.
Alright.
Respect. See it. Ritical massive. You don't know you can find Ritical on all social media platform. You know for hit song like Chosen, you don't know King in a War. There's so much hit song that artists have done. International artists. Remember me tell you now. You see me? Where you say? Where's the street in Chopper?
Yeah.
No joke about that.
No joke about that.
One of the baddest lyricists too in Jamaica. No joke. Ritical. Yeah. Outside with it. Jaja no. Greetings. Outside. Man. I wish where White Night gone? Oh, see? Come in, outside with it. Yeah. Outside with it. Streets of Kingston with the right in our inner city. Which road this way upon you now?
We're upon Great George's Street.
Oh, Great George's Street. What's your style? Body. Man. Yeah, lively. Nah, man.
They have this dance number where you're going to live at the time party.
We street them out. How that I show it? Manners.
What is that?
Outside, boy. So we're currently walking in the Allman Town community. You see it? Good evening, pretty girl. Why am I have to stop with Ritty? Good evening. Darling friend, you're there on social media too?
Eh?
Why your Instagram?
I'm not on social media.
What make?
I'm not on social media.
Not even TikTok?
It's true.
It's true. I'm a video nice, beautiful lady.
Nah, touch you.
So I'm free diet, so. Are you free diet, so? Big up on yourself, see you well, man.
Alright, you see, you will be afraid that you're not even doing the phone. Tell him chop up.
That is it.
Phone me there. We're afraid that.
Yeah, but we the Allman Town. Yeah.
So the great ram up here now.
Yeah?
The big snake and the book.
No, you must move him. Can't go somewhere. I make a
Great ram.
Man.
You have him PH to like how you are there picking, see me?
Them a move through so fast.
Prime time. And I see him now, prime time. Yeah, we are slip through Jamaica walk by. Yeah man, Jamaica walk by.
Big up yourself, my teacher.
Rhyme up.
Madam Bud. Respect, all is well?
Yeah man, I can look some food.
Yeah, there's nothing in our bag for me too?
There are some buy something. Yeah.
Really yard style food.
No, do that now, no do that now.
Big up yourself, man.
Do that now.
Big up yourself. Oh gosh, man. As a Jamaica walk by, bro. All natural, all real.
Remember,
yeah, I mean, with their yard, I know we're going easy. Cheese and peas. Big up and respect, man. Same speed. Outside. Manners and respect. Hear that?
I go down my walk on Anna Street. My name Desha.
Yeah, that's what I tell me. That is it.
Eh?
We're not even sure. We're just show you anything. We're just there. Fully understand, man.
Bring up an app then.
Alright, cool.
Yeah.
Right in the Allman Town. So massive and everybody in Jamaica really love the camera thing, you know, but some them have to clean. Yeah.
Pretty up and
yeah. Alright. Who will see it? Yes, the soldier good. Big up now, man. Hey, God go with it, you know. Rich me rich then. Rich me rich then, you know. Rich me rich then. Rich me are rich then. Are rich then. Can't run from the riches. Can't run from the riches. Can't run from the riches, boy. Eh? Oh, no, me general. No, I ask if I something drop in there. So I tell him no. I run a violent one police station. Jaja. Blessed. Yeah. Oh, mama. So mama have a nice close store out there. Yeah, man.
We have a wholesale on the sidewalk. We have a fabric on the sidewalk. You understand that?
Big up yourself, my friend. That is it. Manners. Yeah, the Jamaica Constabulary, Allman Town Police Station. right in the inner city. And them place a crazy amount of movies shoot.
Best chicken and chips in Allman Town.
Yeah.
Right, that's all.
It's a Father Deli.
Yeah, man, Father Deli. Right, that's
Father Deli.
So we touch on 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock.
Yeah.
One place ram.
Line up a giant.
Line up a giant from Yasso, but straight up. No joke. Yeah, man.
You second that, my friend? Him say when I 6 o'clock line up a giant, I saw Father Deli. Yeah. Boy, big up yourself, my friend. Yeah, but me can't tell you no smelly. Cheese and peace. Man.
Yeah.
Come here, man. You disappear, go. Send a big up before you're going. Big up some people right across the road.
No, man, I can't do that.
Nah, big up nobody. Big up somebody, man.
Big up my mother.
Ah, see there? That is it. Oh, not string up. Chopper. Manners. Yeah, sometimes I try to stop so people can see a little bit more, you know? Like when we reach the square then. The artist wrong this.
Artists full of ground. Everywhere you go, at least you can find at least 3 artists, the 4 artists on every street in Allman Town.
Madam,
that's what I say, and a third.
Respect.
So you do the man.
Respect, all is well. Madam Bad. I'm here sitting and going on the corner, you're lively. Jaja know. Good no man. Oh, are you this a DJ right now?
From the jockey, Smith, West and the Shorty. Bust it toward them and left your body to the mortgage. 425, wave alive. And from the list, them know when I go reconcile. Them right direct them ends and send them home to get and smile. But now he's my friend, time me not talking, no. Uncle up in a metal clip, Matica beta, yo.
That is it, but we not left and not do it. We have to catch it. Have to.
No, Granddad. You understand?
So the artist name? Say it again. Tesha. That is it. Tesha. Massive, so that song that we are playing right now is Tesha. Oh, Desha. Desha. How you mean?
Ready for this in hit up limit. Party ball smoke up them ends like kitchen. Me no giant news, got the on the loose. Get me split bruise, funk look or you go lose. Chatty when you prove, so if you no move, when me a shoot, me now pick and choose. The chat clipping on my socks. If you brave blocks, you must see the tracks. And if you run, you get shot. Take a troll on the block. When me check a stop, 9 that me know what them a snap. To stop about the 15, they tap and gas me skip in. Them can a ball out.
So right now, Massive, you don't know, so we're in Allman Town, same speed, and we are listening to artists, Desha, you know what I mean? New artists on the ground, same speed. And Massive, when we say new artists, we don't mean say them just start the music a long time. We just mean say them up on the scene and go and make sure say them reach the international level. You see me, I say, no joke, no doubt. Look which out we stand up, quick sale, wholesale, you know what I mean? Yeah. Desha. Yeah, me teacher. Madam Bad, so this is how man gas up the coal stove easily, me teacher. Oh, you mean? So right now we're going to talk with Desha a little bit, you know what I mean? Right on the corner with the easy. Where's your spin around? Oh. Madam Bad. So yeah, we're outside. Before we even do that, I don't know. Yes, I go lively all in I later on. No joke, no doubt. Me always talk about the clean pot them and basing thing, you don't know? Yeah, no joke. Yeah, later on, lively. Alright. Madam Bad. Where you say?
Yeah,
One
yeah.
I like hot spot this in the night.
Alright, this is right as you know. You get the soup, you get your jerk chicken. You understand me? I say the whole place does festive. Especially when you come on to weekend, you get a grocery, as you can see, as is a wholesale.
Yeah, me not tell a man, you like everything a man have in there. Come and take a look. Come and take a look in there. Decent in a man.
Same thing, see that?
Good evening, good evening. Nice. Seems like you can get a pin to an anchor in a so. Well stocked, even baby things. Everything you look like, brother. Jaja know. See it then, man. Madam Bad right in a Allman Town. No joke, no doubt.
What is now? No people might hear about Allman Town and think that Allman Town are one of the worst places, or you know, whole heap of violence going on in the car. You don't know, every community have its advantage and its disadvantage.
True.
You understand me? I say about this Allman Town is a community where if you are going down the road and up the road, it's a once in a nothing, you can go up the road and you can go down the road. You understand me? I say? So the man them know who them in a worry. But right for now, no one are going on the place.
Yeah, the place nice.
Yeah, the place nice.
The ambience is right. So, everybody does feel good and me don't feel tense now, nothing.
Yeah, it's just a natural feeling. Because you see from your up on the ground, you will feel the vibration. Like everything works off a vibration. You get me? So you see right now, Allman Town, the youth them just want to uplift themselves, whether by music or ball or whatever. That's the thing there right now, brother. Mother me, man.
I say it, Desha. That is it. So you don't know what they are right now with a listening voice at Desha a while ago. You understand? You know what I mean? How long now you do the music, my G?
Well, I can say, for me, I'll be a little youth still, 6 years old. You see me? Come up in an idea, I used to sing over people's songs, you know? Yeah, from them time.
That is it, man.
Yeah.
What you mean? So right now, what the latest song we have on? Another one that we listen a while ago.
No, man. The Any and Rum, man. I hit a job soon too.
Any and Rum?
Very, very soon.
Any and Rum. Who produced that one there?
My dog, Steel Chest.
Steel Chest?
Yeah.
Steel Chest? That's Steel Chest out of Mandeville?
Yeah, man.
That general there? Steel Chest, big up yourself, my friend. Big up and respect every time. You see me, I run up in a one of your artists, I know. Steel Chest, big up and respect. Where you say? When name Any and Rum?
Yeah.
Any and Rum, blows and skirt. Yo, so yeah. So how we can find it on our social media platform now?
You can find it on the YouTube, Desha Official. Instagram said we same name, Desha Official. TikTok. When I will on certain platforms, but me a deep as soon as possible, so I go see them.
Spell the Desha.
DEHSHAA.
That is it.
Fully.
Alright, you mean? So you can give a cappella. Can get a little piece of a cappella time.
Desha, them, especially part them lift up the old shop, them a turk or some circle upon them block then. Then we attack them, the style them talk, them cannot take go flow, I leave them know how fi adapt them. Them gal want cocktail. In a me house, she still not divorced, but beating in a she mouth, she swallow for God.
Pull up. Wheel and turn that. Yo, easy. Hold on. Go on again.
You know, I'm rate with him. As I said, give me something a cappella. The man not even itch.
Ready.
A artist that. The man ready.
Same thing with all G-Dan, you know. Big up to G-Dan, same straight up.
Yo, life man, I live it. You shoulda know me legit, me no fidget. Pass me the banger, make me dial a 10 digit. I chop in a the game, don't tell me no gimmick and no civic. When you see me jump out this vivid, me style clean. Y'all get Gigi want to give me on the back seat. She nah have no limit, so she run it like a athlete. Quick, me win it. Pass me the 9 when you see me. No someone with it. We live code light, me killer them no force swipe. What's more than easy with the drillings when the show signs. Them punk they can't go stop the filming when the show time on. When I show time, them girl want give one more time. That's what the feelings man know I feel no. Hey,
bad, Madam Bad. See then a man. Yo, we can't make up them thing. You understand? No joke. We there upon the man ends in a Allman Town. You understand? And remember, tell them which have to find you again, no my teacher. We say any rum, any rum if you look out for.
Yeah, man. Soon, very soon.
Tell me which song you feel like your hottest song.
I can't tell you still because enough Marvin at that.
Cheese and
honestly, no. You see me so. This, you just believe, man. You're not going to hear Desha very, very soon.
Desha. The one that me that point me found in that play. What the name for the one there?
Cool with the killing.
Cruel with the killing.
Yeah, cruel.
Remember lyrics. You can't charge a man if the lyrics in a song, brother.
Code, man.
That is it.
Code, man.
Desha. Image. That is it too. I think you have to start selling them, because people are going to link me and say, oh, can I get one of that to the artist you have on me? Yo, because remember, me plot up my ear and them things, me I say blouse and skirt. And I can find one of this if I go and say, wrap up my ear and keep it clean, especially when I not do road. Big up now, man. Yeah, as an artist have to show image, you know what I mean? That is it. Yo, me I beg you one more piece before we move off, you know. See the first one you give me a while ago?
Stop the capping, you know, I got the lock pin. 425, yo, we live out to chopping. What we locking, them want for super strappings. Something them I try for find out, forget the cops in. And few will absent, but we smart on the acting. When them check the time, I 425 tapping. Just sit back and watch my wings, them flapping. When them they a bed, where they a road, I do the knockings. Pull up on the block, nobody feel all black, I strictly top all pan or whatnot. Y'all want a back shot. Then me go sub up and take a look over the top, a couple zeros pan a laptop. Chop it and like that. Here we got glocks and a couple black mark. Them shoulda know 425, not do the chat. You can't know what it, my book and my got cash. I for we stylist, run the street, hot. Calm down the verse, make them no work, network. Bang bang the line, some boy a slurp, watch a bird. Where used to me, how else I don't move to the curve. When you see me, I'm a team must be best, I full turk. Just try to know you will get hurt. A simple thing for let your head in the earth.
Bomba! Touch me them in that way, say. Tough. Yo, tough. Right now I feel like more play it back. Yeah, I feel like more play it back to me outside scared. Yo, what artist youth? Me not go around yo. Tough. We can tell us some serious artists there Allman Town. No joke. Streets of Kingston. So what? Go man. Blouse and skirt.
I think when you link me, I say, I don't have a couple artists in mind, but I go link you with. Because I know so the dog them have it.
Yeah.
And that's another capping thing, I know the dog them have it. We might not run the dog them every day, but 1 and 2 times we hear the dog them spit and I say, yo, them youth have it. And that's what I say, the dog them ready, man. Allman Town, I put it on the map, man. The right.
Yo. Excuse me, so if you think I lie, me no really depend the proof thing. I win a new bay, me at the style of the show, and we never act stupid. Watch your style, me just know she want to swing vagina, big money make she get violent, something like a hypnotizer. She grip my balls like my grip my lighter, then she swallow the torch with the fire and just cheese.
Can you style myself? She swallowed the torch.
The man full of lyrics, full of style, everything, well of the flow.
Yo, so straight, you know so me have to go link you to get him for a one mic. You understand?
Just load.
Yeah, so we have a program on Jamaica Waba every Saturday called One Mic. So you just forward in and done live performance, one mic. Thousands of people will be watching. See me I say? So me I go make sure me get the link from Streets of Kingston and me I go link you and make you know how the date them stay on a Saturday. We kick it off like 5 o'clock, you don't know till 6. Because we have to go get you up on the stage, dog. The world want to see you here. That is it, bro. One more time on our social media where them can find you.
Yeah man, the shop official. You see me active Instagram said we. You see me TikTok. We are going to on all platforms, so we even have a chat it, dog. You see me, just look out. Remember that.
Figure that. Straight to Kingston. What a vibe, what a energy. Yeah, man. Yeah, serious. All of my producers, G. Remember, on the lookout for me every time I want the new artist, the man, the artist, them with the talent. So one next one, I endorse and blast him straight. You see me? Desha. You understand? All of my producer them, yo. Yeah, remember no. You know, see him give out him Instagram and all of the social, and can give him a link from this up, make him know so the thing no normal, no joke, no doubt. Yeah. How for Dali this a fall down Elena? How should I know controller Dali? Oh, you want controller? Come to Dali, me I hope send a friend a camera now. We're there up on a shoot. Come through now, my friend. Listen, beautiful ladies not shy, no?
Yeah, man. Come here.
Beautiful ladies not shy, man.
Give me something.
Whoa. We are around. Go come here, me give you a shout out on Instagram there. What's a TikTok? Come in and talk to me, man. You know them all kill me if we not talk to you. What's a TikTok? Let me give you a TikTok a shout out.
I'm afraid of camera.
Afraid of camera, beautiful lady? Yeah, Jamaica walk by. What's a TikTok?
Instagram is
Shan25. Shan25? Oh, too fine. Yeah, that is it for you, man. Big up yourself. You hear that? Cool, man. One love. Allman Town. So Instagram is Shan2Fine. So you can follow her if you like to see an army a good vibe. But me say my teacher, that is it man. Keep it. Yo, seal it, make we seal it. We don't make it miss. Respect. Yeah. Shan2Fine. Yeah, my teacher, what you say? I saw them have to clean.
See it, yeah.
Figure that. Quick seal, old seal. Madam bad. Desha. Right on the ends with there, you know, so we just hold it all real, all natural. So Desha, you see them vibe, yeah?
Yeah, bro.
Them know so we can't make it up. Them know say none of them things that we drop a while ago and on a joke thing. You see me I say? I don't say you stem from all your life. Allman Town. Which high school you normally go?
Is it? We used to go. Nicola and I got first.
Yeah.
Then transfer come to Trinity.
A country town youth, you see?
Yeah. Don't country youth.
Don't country youth.
Got to my barn and go. Yes, I'm going. You see me?
That is it.
Westmoreland, Delphin, I'm going to see me. You know the cool.
Figure that. Desha. Yo, remember Jamaica walk by, you know you're going to see the one here. I drop the one and make sure say over the weekend, you know what I mean? So you can get to see it and see what going on. Oh, you mean? I want Jamaica walk by, you know how we do it, brother. And we show them what go on the streets, bro. One code. You see me I say? One code. Streets of Kingston.
Yeah, man.
Me teach you that, man.
Right, fine.
That's why I'm not telling a lie. Me feel like I want us. Real tear paper, I'm not even done recording. You see that first tune that you enjoy a while ago?
Yeah.
No, I'm sorry, so I pull him up, you know. Because not give me it back, you know.
Yeah, it's a different one.
Yeah, just give me a different song. But one back that tune the way you did start. That style just.
They shot them.
Boy, you give me back that first one.
They shot them, pressure the pot them, lift up the old shop them a turtle, some a circle upon them block then. Then we attack them, the style them tough, them cannot take a flow, I lift them no. How fi adapt them, them gal one cock then. In a me she still a divorce, but bit in a she mouth, she swallow for girl, only got them know. I get in them loans and them can't compete with the chosen. When them some of them frozen, when them gal some of them close gone. Cause I saw we do this cruel and easy. We never cap it, drugs money over lead sheets. Hey,
Yo, I saw of an artist stuff dog. Yo, we don't want to pull him up again, guy dog, give me back. Yo, what big up we are walk through. Bad respect here, my teacher. Yo, a guy that say hear that. No joke, no. Yo, Jamaica walk by. Figure that. Big up our respect dog. There, yo. And a normal code man, Desha. You see me? I got you. Oh, you mean, man? Yo, a dog style. Mad. Merry Christmas, hear that? Jaja know. So, we are walk through. So, we are make a little stroll. One more year. Bro, we are going to see you out there, youth. Yeah, we are going to see you. Yeah, make sure so when you party, all of your G them and my parents say, yo, walk by the dog. You can't say, oh, him. Because I can't get near him. A few long time in my life, we can't get near him. You see me? Bless up my teacher. Respect. Yeah. Desha. No joke. Yeah. So massive, make sure to check him up on our social media platform. Check him out on YouTube. You know, he sang them there, they pull up a while ago and a big tune a play. And remember, a real talent and a joke thing. Them man don't need no attitude that you can't hear. A straight talent. Allman Town, Desha, straight off Kingston. Come in, make your artists them go and hold the vibe. Madam bad. Yeah, go on.
You see?
Yeah, man, she found out.
She's nice and shy in her face. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, man, beautiful ladies always shy. Big up and respect. You hear that, bro? Yeah, respect every time. Madam bad. Desha. Get used to the name, Desha. Get used to it. Straight, man, tough dog.
Yeah, man, it's bad, man.
The style and the flow.
So as I tell you, I just saw Allman Town full of talent.
You found
the whole 13th Street full of talent, whether football, music or whatever. I just saw the ground.
And guess what I realize? All of the artists that we meet today, them have different style, different flow.
Yes.
Because G-Dan give me one of them style like
a chronicler.
Yeah, calm and easy. This man I know come like one of the lyricists.
And he's a next musician that book up and write and all.
Yo, No joke.
The next musician is a book up and writer no.
Oh yeah?
It's a songwriter, the friggin' thing.
Madam bad. Big up every time, man. Respect, man. No joke, no doubt.
Long time the man and I think.
Long time.
No joke.
Big up that, no man. Healings and respect. A Jamaica walk by, you see me, teacher. That's I do a little episode show to all Allman Town and I go and hold a vibe and make people them see what I go on that place, you know? Yeah, G. Oh, you mean? So when you say 1 year, still are they producing everything?
Never drop that, man.
Bro.
You go on YouTube, you can check out One Legend, man.
One Legend. Your voice, are you there yet? Desha?
Desha.
You know voice Desha yet? Yo. Yo. One artist up best named Desha a while ago, bro. One of the baddest thing me here for a long time too. My next artist there on the other side named G-Dan.
G-Dan, oh,
bad. The calm something there. With the lyrics and the flow and them look high pitch up beso. You know me I run up in our beso. Critical himself. Yeah. And now that youth named Desha. Bro, when the man start chop a while ago, you know, bro. Me have to pull up him man, a cappella them, you know.
Yeah.
Then me have to go beg him back his song them because guess what me know? Him not give me same song, you know. Song pan top of song. Blouse and skirt, man. See me?
Yeah, man.
Desha.
Yeah, man.
Bro.
Start work some of the rhythm there.
Bro. Jamaica walk by Endas and blast the artist, yeah. Me can tell you next 2 years me have to go a call and we can't get him.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. I know normal talent you have, bro.
Yeah, me have a number, man.
Yeah, man. I know normal. It's song me teacher. Everything is style. Juggling. Give thanks to that because we need them, you know.
One more that you see me? No, that amount of them up there, right now.
Bro, me say right now you say less. Your talent speak everything, bro. A while ago, your talent did a style, blouse and skirt, bro. Yo, believe me, so now watch my video, yeah? I have a year couple of song before this year. You know me I talk about. See? Big up and respect. You come here, you say you normally sing over a song and them thing there.
I'll be right back where you leave me. I've been on the road, but now I'm coming home. Oh, lately you've been acting strangely. I've been on the road, but I'm coming home. Oh.
Yeah, a different style of an Yeah, a different style of an It might sound like a bus artist. You're hungry for it in a dog. You forget it in a youth. Yeah, you forget it in a. You see that style?
What go fuck them again?
Brother.
You reach me. My godfather.
Yo. Big up the man.
You hear me say? One more day, I step up on them again.
Yo, Desha.
Yeah, see? Desha.
Tough.
Desha.
Yeah, I'm in love out your hungry feet. Yeah, you're ready.
I'm family. Yes.
No joke, no doubt.
Yeah. One more day upon them again, my family.
Madam bad.
Yeah.
Outside me. Desha, we are going to link, you know.
Yeah. Original. Done.
Chicken hawk.
Alright.
Producer, big up yourself and respect. See, bro. Legendary thing.
Yeah.
Madam bad.
We do the thing now. I don't know if them there and I keep the party, but like man, fix up to the party.
Oh, we shot the party I keep down there?
Down there, sir.
You think we are walk down there?
Yeah, man.
Allman Town. What a vibe, man. Yo, they shot tough.
Man, solid, man. I tell you, man.
They shot tough. Solid. Floor.
Yeah, but just want to use them, just make use of the opportunity, any opportunity to come in terms of.
Yeah, bro, respect, manners.
Coach or whatever. Man, I just want them do it and just make use of it. And that's what I say.
Yeah, bro.
It's a good look for them. You see me?
Jaja, no. I know said enough time people were forward in all them community about them afraid. So we have to get sure no more time so we can move through. Find somebody, if somebody will live here or so we can make a mural with. You understand?
Someone who can walk to the place, it's even more better.
You can show exactly where go on and where to go. You know what I mean? Because if I tell you the truth, I say a whole heap of people link me for father Allman Town. I say I can't just go Allman Town, so I don't know where me I go. I don't know where me I go do or who me I go. But when I go through one corner, I don't even know which part of the corner come out or what. Yeah, that's a walk. Yeah, the thing now look loose away where we not gonna like. So I say, yo, me have a general live them side. So I say, me just link up streets of Kingston and see if we can get a real good walk through, make people they can see the place. You see me I say? No joke. So we can go down here at the land.
At the next hotspot, that's on the Lake Shore.
Lake Shore.
Yeah, that's on the Lake Shore, them key party, all of the event, top event. And that's
Wow.
as you can see the decoration on the palm tree. Them.
Yeah.
So it's a nice little,
Nice little vibe, man. Lake Shore.
Yeah, man.
Man. That is it. So as you can see. Figure that. It's your bad man. Since I even want me there. Man. Lake Shore. I even where you there. Big up and respect, no joke, no doubt. Yeah. I even where you there.
That's good, my boss.
Yeah, that is it, my teacher. We there do episode, blessed, respect. They do episode for Allman Town, you know what I mean? So GK run us of a show in next hotspot for say, and yes, our place to the party central. Lake Shore. That is it.
Not a play shore.
So not a play shore.
No.
Figure that.
Oh, the arts life thing I'm going tonight. Yeah, man, the CM General
Big boss.
if you make a guitar.
Oh, yeah.
Teddy Buds.
Yeah.
Theme party tonight.
Tonight.
That's what I say. You know
That is it. I like our place are set up, so pretty much from here to feel go that way there. Yeah. Madam bad. Beautiful setup. Big up my teacher. Respect.
Father, listen.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, father.
A young, I want to say artist for a man look like one look young youth. But even sister one big man. Massive, yeah, one big man, you know, cause even for the camera you look little, bro. Big up every time, bro. Yeah, man, then say age just show up on we, you know. No joke. Lake Shore. Yeah. Lake Shore, massive. Look good. That is it. Yeah, man, yeah, it depends. Sometimes people invite me and them over forward a whole vibe and thing, you see me? No joke. Tonight, I'm not sure yet because I have a next thing where I have to go deal with. Look more. You see me? So if I show him and see what I deal with and thing. You know what I mean? So we are endorse and show them say, yes sir. So tonight, Lake Shore. Madam, but I like that setup you do. Oh, the flyer? Yeah. Alright. What's your name?
Me?
Yeah. You look like one popular lady in the street, like everybody know you know. Yeah, man.
Me a Teddy Bad man, I know the artist in church.
Oh, yeah. That is it, man. See party here. Look good now, man. See them, man. Teddy Bad presents a party called, you don't know, look good. Artist Life.
Yeah.
Saying book the date, December 14, no joke, no doubt. Figure that look good. Blow out, so big up Teddy Bad, you know what I mean? Look good. Jaja know. Tonight, later on, Artist Life. You see me? Big up to Teddy Bad mother, you know what I mean? Hot big man roll out, same speed. Easy. Me like how the Lana set up, me like how the Lana look and be things. Can I see say yes, one of the spot. Yeah, for you see man, oh, like him too love the camera thinking about. See my easy man. Big up yourself, me teacher man. I mean man, clean in man, come in man. What you mean? So yeah. Look good. My brother they look like a old bro. How you do forget? Yo, more time I lift weights and iron. Yo, me I lift weights. Oh, what me I say? Me normally lift weights and iron and can't get that physiques. Yeah.
You go for porridge, man. Go for porridge.
Yeah. I mean, more time I lift iron till you put it down and say, can't what I say, man. Yeah. Big up yourself, bro. Respect same speed, is it? That is it, no joke. Well, yeah, nice and easy. Oh, we saw her there. Box of money. Blouse and skirt. Love the look. Yo, see if I can make this shop a show, man. Make if I'm. Oh, okay, good. Yeah, man. Yeah, Lake Shore. No joke, Allman Town.
Not a play shore.
Not a play shore. Loud later on. I mean, Lake Shore is not a play shore. I mean. So yeah, straight. You know, so later see a place calm and thing, later on the place loud.
Loud thing. Young artists
You see me?
perform and them look good thing there, you see me?
That is it.
You know the thing go. You don't know how that's the thing said. The artists them a do them thing and a help themselves and them look good thing there. Them now we
Put on them own event and them look a thing there.
them now we pan a body.
Watch a car.
You understand what I say?
I mean.
See the artist there.
Oh yeah?
Tell the bad.
Madam bad.
See that?
Yeah. Nah, tell her man. Ask him if he can get. I want raise.
Remember same that thing about the thing. Come step out and deal with it.
The business so have to do it.
Yeah, deal with the film now. Put on fast. That's why
Yeah man.
Click, see man now.
Yeah, man.
That is it man.
Right on time.
Just as we are going to walk out. See there? For the showcase the thing man. That is it. Lake Shore, right time. Right time. Right time.
Normal.
Big up and respect, you know, my teacher. Teddy Bad. A Jamaica walk by, you see me? You understand? We say, you're a party tonight.
Yeah.
That is it. Image is everything, man. Look now, man. Clean, no, bro. How you mean, bro? Yeah. So right now, I'm just endorse and blast. Everybody will know you right now. Which one they can find up on the social media?
Well, them can find me by the name of Teddy Bad Music, you know, on YouTube and Instagram. Teddy Bad _. Yeah.
Yeah, so Teddy Bad, how long now since I do the music?
Why? About, that's it, 2.5 years, you know.
2.5. If you say you do it longer than that, you just take it serious 2.5 years.
You just have the knowledge for it and that, so you look like I do it long time, you know.
That is it, bro. Yeah, so which song you feel like your biggest song ever?
It's a reggae song, one mother tune.
Mother song. Yeah, that is it. Big up to your mother over there, so you can see she want your mother them when they by your side straight, you know. See it there now, man.
I all purpose that, man.
Yeah, so you perform later on on the show too?
That's a must.
You can most time when the artists them put it on there, then give everybody you run, you know. Yeah.
Right now, when I say talent,
Look more party,
you have to look for them, man. Yeah. They have to look for me, so from the people I look for, you know, say I can't take
Teddy Bad.
We love music, so you see it, and like some people just do this thing for reggae, cause we can do dancehall, reggae, afro. Alright, we're all over the place. It's like a tour guide.
That is it, bro. So watch out now, what the latest thing what we can look for? The name of that?
Right now, the latest one of my posts, I think, it's a long time stay me that I've shared too. I'm busy with I get proposed na content from the other day, so last content a Karma.
Karma. Yeah. What's it, you know, you drop piece. You can't get a piece of a cappella if I'm small.
Enough night man coulda die, but Jaja answer the prayer, God him reply. I make it pick lock by my side, never be shy. Man want see we dead, but I know me time me keep it fight. Enough night man coulda die, but Jaja answer the prayer, God him reply. I make it pick lock by my side, never be shy. Man want see we dead, but I know me time me keep it fight. Me walk the streets, enough memories. Me kick back on a spliff and a reminisce. Chant a psalms and a prayer for me enemies. Karma is a bitch, but bad mind full of jealousy. Enough of them attack, but no know they have of it. Be safe full of shark, but me have a chance it. The poor life no nice, it make me anti the choice that my food just know say you nah live. Enough night man coulda
Teddy Bad. Yo, Teddy Bad. Remember, big up every time. Don't stop. It sang straight. No joke, no doubt. I wish you all of the success in a life where you're gonna need and where you're gonna get. As I said, believe no man. See me I say, Allman Town, you fall from a local youth?
Well, basically, because I have to spend most of my life. Yeah.
Which high school you normally go?
Kingston High.
Kingston High. You pick up a Kingston High, Allman to them no man. No, you have all of your birches them there, so you know man, go down see and say, yo, Dr. Superstar. See it then no man. Yeah, so before we actually move on, I know say you're busy because your party at tonight, you don't know. Artist life tonight. You don't know that I go loud. So shut a big up to anybody who you want, big up your producer or stuff, you know what I mean?
Well, first of all, I want to big up my town. You don't know anything what you're doing in life, bro. Where's the genre? a thing what we're doing right now. You see the category. You have to know say your town affairs say what you have say. Cause what is it if the whole place hate it? Although you have people hate, you know, but you have to first get the love from your place, you see.
True, agree.
Yeah, so first one big up to Allman Town, then you don't know. Like I say, Portmore, you don't know, cause I have to big up to my artists too, cause them man they make my day side it. I don't even really like call out and say things more, because it's a dark free up. Everybody has a cartel now.
Yeah, really.
So, me go say cartel, me just be an ex youth who has a cartel, but I them man they show me say, the garrison need a better way and a better life. If you repeat me then, Gaza.
Madam bad, big up every time. Teddy bad. Respect a man at same speed. See? Respect.
And big up to D Brown, you know. Sitting and watching fools by themselves.
I sing it too.
They should all be thinking of getting to know themselves. While life goes on, everyone's got to stay strong. Although,
big up and respect.
For copyright, but you let them take over things them.
Teddy bad. Big up every time, Teddy. Respect always. That's it.
Yeah.
That is it. Big up yourself, mommy. One love. No joke. Teddy bad. Artist life. Artist life. Teddy bad. See me? Artist life. Tonight. Yeah. Oh, the DJ up is a rhyme up. Madam bad, no joke as we go through Allman Town. Oh, make him come through. Yeah. Teddy bad. Madam bad. Big up every time, man.
You see, I must say God has always been life, you know, cause we are born prayer warrior, you see. We just want everybody who watch this believe in yourself, you see me, you. I never did believe, you know. But you see, with the faith of God and the faith of my mother love and my family, I believe you. No fun on have it. Well, sometimes you need somebody to carry out the message and I carry it out. That believe, you hear that? God and time, bro.
God and time. Respect and manners. No joke.
That is it.
Real message. Blessed and respect. Yeah, man. That is it, man. Yo, Judge, I know. You know, me love to with enough of the young youths, them. Them conscious, you're fret. Yeah, man, them a see life, bro, and them conscious. And them words, them what them a say, yeah. Them know the ground, bro.
The thing is, when I'm glad to still, because I'm a youth, I'm used to the music. And things like, them look up to me as a youth. I do it a long time, you get me? Yeah.
Good evening. Blessed.
Yeah.
See? Yeah.
Same serious still, so I'm really proud of him still.
Yeah, man, I'm gone through. And them positive, you know? Yeah, man. Big up and respect me, G. No joke.
Like you can say.
That is it, man.
Remember, box of money.
Box of money.
Pussy test. One DJ MacGyver, I don't know the bodies come down. You see me I say?
DJ MacGyver.
Okay,
figure that outside. Big up the band.
That is it.
Box of money. Ah, my soldier. That is it. Say, big up to your family and your mother also.
Yeah. Big up my mother. Who grew me as a good man.
Yeah.
And you know what I say, I love the life I'm in right now, you know. Cause mother give me so much thing, I appreciate it, and right now I have to help her in the future will come. So just respect mommy and
that is it, man. Respect, hear that.
Big up Jamaica walk by.
Big up Jamaica walk by.
That is it. Big up by, bro.
That's so conscious, brother.
Yes, I don't know. We actually walk through Allman Town and I tell us there with my general CM Speed. Streets of Kingston was a great energy, great vibe. And I tell us whole heap of artists, big up to G-Dan, you don't know. Desha, right? Yeah. Desha, big up to Teddy Bad. Yeah. You know what I mean? Big up to Rhyme Up. You know what I mean? Big up to all the people that were talking on the street. You don't know. Big up to White Knight. Yeah, you see, White Knight, big up yourself. You don't know, so massive. I hope you enjoy the video of Allman Town as we walk through, showcase the natural vibe in the Allman Town, the great energy and all of that. Much love much respect. And I keep watching the videos them on Jamaica Walk By Zine. One love to all as we go through. See? That is it. Anything I want to say before I close, me G?
Yeah, man. Well, me appreciate the artists them come out and show them talent. You get me? So the whole world can see. You see me? You have talented youth in the inner city, not just Allman Town. You understand me? I say, whole heap of talented youth in the inner city, I just they want the help them want and the exposure. So right now, I'm glad the Jamaica Walk By program come through and give the youth them a feature. So you don't know, bless up.
No joke. So you see, big up and respect, big up to all my dieted subscribers them too as well. If you now watch, make sure you can comment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times. Like the video. Zine, that is it. Allman Town, big up to everybody from Allman Town. See? One love, that is it. And we're outside just like this. Mad so.
Thinking of a song that I can play. I wish I was home to be in Jaja's place. But there's no need to worry, 'cause I'll be there someday. Which I live in Africa, oh Africa, yes. You say that you are in Rasta, Africa, it is. Which I live in Africa, oh Africa, yes. You say that you are in Rasta, Africa, it is. Looking around, I see a crying face. And only used to be cyborg is now his sleeping place. Love used to be empty space. I hope you can see it. It's a damn disgrace. So come in Africa, oh Africa, yes. You say that you are in Rasta, Africa, yes. Who shall live in Africa, oh Africa, yes. You say that you are in Rasta, Africa, yeah. Angola awaits us, yes. Nigeria awaits us, yes. Ethiopia awaits us, yeah. Oh, Mama Africa, yes, awaits us. Ooh, oh, I live in Africa, oh, Africa, yes. You say that you are in Rasta, Africa, yes. I live in Africa, oh, Africa, yes. You say that you are in Rasta, Africa, yes.